What you are watching right now is not fake, it's not AI. These humanoid robots reportedly just work an entire 8-hour shift autonomously. It's not human control, no brakes, no human control, no remote operators. This is Helix 02 from Figure AI. And this might be the moment human labor change forever. Look at this carefully. The robots are moving through human workspace, handling physical tasks, navigating real environments, and continuously working like actual employees. That's the breakthrough. For years, robots could only operate in highly controlled environments. Now, humanoid robots are adapting to our world. The same factories, the same warehouse, the same infrastructure humans already use. And that changes everything. Because once robots can reliably work inside human space, every labor-intensive industry becomes vulnerable. Factories, logistics, warehouse, agriculture, retail, construction, think about it. A humanoid robot doesn't get tired, doesn't sleep, doesn't call in sick, doesn't need to go toilet, doesn't quick, and unlike humans, it gets smarter over time. This is why tech companies are racing towards humanoid robotics right now. Not because they look futuristic, but because they can replace repetitive human labor at massive scale. Packing boxes, sorting inventory, moving materials, assembly work, these are tasks robots can repeat endlessly. And once the economics make sense, companies will have huge incentive to automate. The scary part, most people still think that this is decades away, but you are literally watching it happening now. Right now. This isn't science fiction. This is live operational demo of humanoid robots running a full work shift. That means the transition has already started.